Hi traders, welcome to a new trading day. My name is Somi Adiagbo, market analyst at Greenwave Exchange. So today is 17th May 2022 and we want to look at Bitcoin. So as we can see, Bitcoin has been on a downward run since November 2021. That's over 6 months ago when it peaked at above 69k in November 2021, and since then it has dropped 63% to around that $25,000 last week. So the question is, has the Bitcoin price bottomed yet, or we're going to see lower prices? Okay, because a lot of some people says Bitcoin has collapsed and all that. So as we can see on the chart, the price is making bearish correction, and it doesn't really look like a very big collapse, as like something that the market has not seen before. So as you can see on the chart, yes, we had this bearish run between December 2017 and December 2018, 1 year, and then also between June 2019 and March 2020, we also saw this very sharp bearish run, but each time price picked up. Okay, and so we're seeing the same thing right here, price completing another correction, kind of ABC move, just like we saw in the other ones, ABC and all that. So let's use the Elliott wave theory. According to the Elliott wave theory, it seems to start a very nice impulsive trend from here. All right, and from here, 1 2 3, and then price is making the fourth leg here. And the end of this fourth leg, we should be able to see further run, okay, to higher prices, to a new all-time high. So but the question is whether this fourth wave has ended, whether price is going to push up from here. Okay, so in the last update, I mentioned that I am looking at two targets, which is 28,000 and 23,000. So I think price is still going to come down to 23,000 before we can start looking at big bounce. Okay, the continuation of the overall bullish trend. So let's see what price does around 23,000. So because what we can have is an ABC move. We have this support level here, okay, and we also have the 38% Fibonacci retracement of this move around here. So I think price is going to stay more within this zone. We come down within it. I mean, come lower, deeper into the zone before we see a surge. Okay, before we see a surge. Okay, so but even if a price gets here, we still have to wait for the surge to happen before we can confirm that price has really bottomed. So the current minor resurgence that we have seen this week so far, it's still minor, it's still part of the downward run. So let me go to the lower time frame so that we'll see how that looks like. And so we can say that we are in the C leg of that three-leg correction, like in the third leg. Looks like the third leg, and that's also giving us nicely formed impulse wave pattern, which is currently around the fourth wave. All right, which is currently around the fourth wave. And even if we use the Fibonacci, yes, if we use the Fibonacci tool also, maybe look at 8.2, because that's where the fourth wave usually corrects to. Okay, so we're already at 8.2. So there is still more, I mean, more room to be made downside. All right, so if you're able to see another big break below here, below 28,500, I think we're going to see further decline to 23,000, or maybe even lower. Okay, so maybe some move like this, and then a collapse, and then we see more run down to this place, 23,000, and then afterwards we can now start looking for the bullish reaction, which is expected to signal the end of this, the fifth wave of this fourth wave, larger degree impulse wave corrective pattern. All right, and so price should be able to surge from there, but we have to wait if it's going to surge. But so far it's still looking bearish for Bitcoin unless we see a very massive surge happen above 40,000, which is not that very much likely at the moment. Okay, so that's it, guys. Bitcoin still looks bearish, and maybe 23,000 is going to be the next target if we see an important break downwards out of this current bullish corrective formation. All right, guys. So that's it from me today. See you in the next one.